Bule masak casserole. Daging kambing, kentang, tomat, cabai, bawang, sweet pepper, spring onion, minyaknya nggak tahu apa dibuatnya nanti nih. Ini dia sudah prepare kentang pakai oregano, dia marinate sama minyak. Ini daging kambingnya. Kok pakai oregano? Rosemary. Ini dia sudah potong-potong cabenya, bawangnya besar-besar semua. Ini ada cabai merahnya sembunyi. Sayurnya besar banget dipotong. Ini onionnya. Ini tomatnya dipotong kayak gini aja. Besar. Oh, this is the prepare. The chef eating first and drinking before he's cooking.
Come and see.
Okay.
So one lonely star anise, potatoes soaked in olive oil, oregano, seasoning, just rock salt and pepper, all chopped up, chilies. Oh my Buddha, oh my Buddha. Oof. Hell of a kick to them. Shallots, tomatoes, peppers roughly cut, red chilies. Just standard oregano, I couldn't get any fresh. Likewise with the rosemary, it goes in last before it goes in the oven. Rioja, good stuff.
Wait, what do you do? Oh.
It sucks having Simply Red in the jukebox, so that's no use. We've got some lemon as well, I've got to add some lemon in there. So we got in there all the chilies and everything, and the final bits to go.
All in here, all he
Garlics.
put. Semua bahan-bahannya sudah masuk
Just
saja.
drop it. Rinse hands, and then to see what we're going to put in this fluid.
Red wine,
South African
Pinot
Pinotage.
Beige.
Not Greek, sorry.
Beef stock.
Yeah.
Oh my god, how come you doing that and drinking?
Because it's like Keith Floyd. A nice slurp of this. This is the Rioja. Going down very good.
Beef stock in. Semua sudah masuk dalam satu pot, sekarang masuk dalam oven. Ini dia untuk 2 jam. Okay, there after 2 hours in the oven. Look that.
Yeah, I'm pissed.
You really. Let me open. It's very hot. Oh. Look at that. Can I have the spoon?
Larger spoon.
Yeah. Yeah. Sing time.
Gravy. I love you in gravy.
Time to eat with the bread. Time to eat.